Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Artemis EA on MetaTrader 5 and I'll be walking through the MQL5 Marketplace page, breaking down how it is designed to work, and then going into the backtesting results to understand its historical behavior. So here we are on the MQL5 Marketplace page. This is Artemis EA, developed by Patrick Baumgart, and it's currently priced at 30 US dollars. The version shown here is 1.17, last updated in December 2021 with 5 activations available. From the marketplace information, I can confirm this is designed for MetaTrader 5 only. So this review will focus entirely on the MT5 version. Looking at the description, Artemis is a currency pair expert advisor that uses moving average based logic combined with multiple trend following indicators. The idea here is that entries are generated when price crosses a moving average, but only if additional indicators confirm the same direction. What is interesting is the confirmation requirement. The EA will only open a trade when all included indicators agree with the trend direction. If even one indicator is out of alignment, the trade is filtered out. So it is essentially a multi-confirmation system built around trend agreement. Moving forward, the developer mentions that the EA can be used on any currency pair and any time frame, but it is recommended to run it on the M1 time frame for best performance based on the default setup. There is also an automatic lot sizing feature built in. Position size is calculated based on account balance and the risk per trade can be adjusted in the settings. The default risk value is set at 10%. So this is something users need to pay attention to when configuring the EA. Another important point is that the EA is designed to manage exposure across multiple charts. It can be used on more than one symbol at the same time, but it limits itself to one open position per chart. The system also includes protections to avoid margin call situations, which suggests it is built with account safety considerations in mind. The developer also notes that the default settings were optimized for Euro USD on the M1 time frame and mentions historical backtest performance figures based on those conditions, which we'll take a closer look at in a moment. Now let's move into the backtesting section and review how this behaves historically. Alright, so when looking at historical testing performance, I'm focusing less on the outcome itself and more on how the strategy interacts with past price movement. This helps us understand whether the behavior is consistent or heavily dependent on specific market conditions. Alright, so since this EA is based on moving average crossings combined with multiple indicator confirmations, I'm paying attention to how often signals appear and how strict the confirmation filter seems during different market phases. So the recommendation to use M1 is also important here because lower time frames typically produce more frequent signal generation, which can significantly affect trade frequency and exposure. So we are running the test on Euro USD on the M1 time frame as recommended from the beginning of this year. So it's covering about 5 months and a week, data. And we're using the last ping to the server for the delays, every tick modeling. All right, so looking at the results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was $12.18, and the total trades taken were 24. Short trades were 10, 100% win rate. Long trades were 14, 100% win rate. So the largest profit was 0.59, average profit 0.51. This tells me that this is a scalping EA. All 24 trades were profitable, and not a single trade was up to $1 profit. All right, now for all trades to be profitable and the trades were 24, that tells me that The reason why the total net profit is so tiny is because of how the EA targets very short-term price movement. Okay, so let's just quickly look at the chart history. All right. So as I go through the historical chart, I'm observing how price interacts with the moving average and how confirmation from multiple indicators appear to act as a filter before any trade is executed. Okay, so we are just going to also just turn on the visual mode so we can see the EA active. All right. The kind of structure that this EA uses now, usually leads to more selective entries compared to a single indicator system. All right, so we can see the moving average here. We can also see momentum indicator here as the EA actively looks for opportunities in the market. It's also important to treat this strictly as historical backtest analysis. Real trading performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot size configuration, broker execution, spreads, slippage, and overall market conditions. The developer's mention of 10% default risk per trade is particularly important because that level of exposure can significantly influence drawdown behavior depending on account size and usage. So we can see important information here showing the symbol server time, lot size minimum, lot size maximum, and the lot size steps. All right. So overall, Artemis EA for MT5 is presented as a multi-confirmation trend following expert advisor that combines moving average signals with additional indicator filters and built-in risk-based lot sizing. It is designed to be flexible across pairs, but with a clear emphasis on M1 chart behavior and strict entry confirmation logic. As always, I would recommend running longer term testing yourself and experimenting with different risk settings so you can better understand how it behaves under different market environments before considering any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video or if you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. So in the meantime, thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.